Welcome to 877 Heath Lake Road. Less than 10 miles to Sandpoint, this 50-acre legacy estate leaves nothing to be desired. With the Selkirk mountain range as your backdrop, the setting is completely private with lush landscaping and a covered entry that welcomes guests in high mountain style. Inside, the large living room with wood-burning rock fireplace transitions to a deck that overlooks the pond and forest. The sunroom just might be your favorite place to relax, where you can watch the birds in the fountain and keep an eye on the weather. Real wood floors are underfoot, and the kitchen is fit for a chef, with a large central island, 2 sinks, cherry cabinets, schist counters, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. You and your crowd will love gathering here. Everything you need is on the main floor, including the private main suite, with its own access to the deck and hot tub, a spacious bath with walk-in shower, and a generous walk-in closet. The daylight level is the perfect place for movie or game night. Three large bedrooms each have ample closet space. This one is used as the home office. Stay connected to the world with the Starlink internet system. 2 more bedrooms, each with a full bath across the hall, easily serve family and guests. There's a home gym and a large storage room with its own entry. Now this is North Idaho, and you'll appreciate the shop with over 3,000 square feet of heated space, including a loft, bathroom, wood shop, office, and mechanical shop. On the north end, 2 drive-through enclosed bays house a full-size RV, a boat, and more. Behind the shop is a 400 square foot craft building with a concrete floor, suitable for forgery, pottery, or studio space. Across the meadow is the barn, with 3,000 square feet on the main floor, room for up to 10 separate stalls, and a loft with an electric hoist and overhead track that runs the full length of the barn. The land is the perfect mix of trees, meadow, and a large pond. Hike your own private trail system and come home to luxury and comfort. The property is zoned rural zoning 5-acre minimums, lending itself to future subdivision if you desire. All this and more on a county-maintained road close to Sandpoint, Lake Pend Oreille, and Schweitzer Mountain Resort. Thank you for watching. To schedule your own personal showing, please feel free to contact me or your agent, or see us online.